Crystal and Thomas, thank you for being a friend. Traveled down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. I'm not ashamed to say. I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and take a bow? Yes, those were the first few lyrics by Andrew Gold, made famous by the theme song for the Golden Girls. Crystal, your compassion means the world. And Thomas, you're an absolute rock star. Crystal, I think of you often when I think of my late wife every day. The love you showed to Carol when you came to visit those couple times a week will stay with me the rest of my life. And yes, we need to get together and have lunch at least once a month. Crystal, if you would like to have me create a free AI talking video for any occasion for your friends, family, or business associates, maybe like this one, go to harveysilverfox.com and request one. Love you both, Harvey.